Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to disassemble a Samsung dryer. The model number to this unit is, pull it up right here, Delta Victor 42 Hotel 5400 Echo Foxtrot / Alpha 3. This video is going to come in handy if you ever need to, replace a heating element, rollers, idler pulley, belt, any of those parts. This video will help you take apart the unit and access those parts to get them replaced. I didn't actually speak while I was taking the video, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover during the video, just kind of explaining what I'm doing. Really easy. I mean, as long as you have a drill, it goes a lot faster, but I mean, you can do it with some screwdriver, flathead, not really a flathead, a Phillips, and get this thing taken apart. I hope this video helps someone out there if you're having any humidity issues, or if you're having trouble getting your dryer apart, which I know a lot of techs, they have issues with that when they're first starting, or people who are trying to repair their appliance, just basically getting the thing apart. Some people are afraid to start taking screws out, which is understandable. You don't want to break anything, but this is pretty much a step-by-step on how to get this particular dryer apart. Now, this dryer is a common dryer. I see this one a lot, so I've taken it apart over, I'm gonna say over 200 times. Not exactly sure, but it's been a lot. So I hope this video helps you guys out. If you like the video, go ahead and like, subscribe. Hopefully I can post some more videos showing you guys, some basic tips and tricks to help you get your appliances going. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. Later. Alrighty, go. So here's the dryer. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I need to take this top off. So I'm gonna take out the back two screws that are holding the top together. Right there, they're Phillips. Once you get those two screws off, you should be able to slide the top back and take it off. Alright, next you're going to need to take the control panel off. Usually you can just pop that off there. It's not always that easy. Someone's taken this one apart before, so it came off relatively easy. And then disconnect these two electrical cables and remove the control. Next you're going to remove, there should be 4 screws right here at the top. On this one there's 3. Again, somebody's taken it apart and let the screw out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those screws from the top. And then I'm going to remove 2 screws at the bottom of the front frame. Remove those 2 screws, remove the lint trap, and you're going to be able to push these tabs in and pull that front frame forward. Just release the cable connected to the door switch, and you should be able to lift that front frame off. Now here's a few screws that you're going to have to take off. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember to disconnect that cable. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're going to want to remove those 12 screws in order to remove the front components. So this piece right here, it holds the control board. You're going to want to take the electrical wires off of there. It has little plastic twists that hold it on. Take that off, put it to the side. Go ahead and remove the, I guess I went down to the lint trap. Remove the lint trap. This connects to the blower wheel. Remove the electrical wire. And then on this front frame right here, I'm going to lift up and pull out. Lift up, pull out. Comes off really easy. Next, we're going to disconnect the belt from the idler pulley. There's the idler pulley right there, and there's the belt. Now the belt goes around the idler pulley and then goes around the pulley on the motor. I couldn't really get a good shot of exactly how it's on there. So if you're going to go take it off, you're going to reach back there. You're going to pull the idler pulley with your left hand to the left. of the unit, which loosens the belt. And then you're going to remove the belt from the idler pulley, and go ahead and once you remove it from the idler pulley, it'll be loose and you can take it off the pulley or the belt. To put it back on, it's going to be, you know, reverse that, reversing what I just told you. Couldn't really give much of, you know, couldn't get much video on how to actually do that. I'm probably going to do a video later that actually shows you how to do that, because I know when I first started out, I struggled with putting belts on idler pulleys. All right, so pull the drum out, place the belt to the side, and now we have full access. Right there you see the motor, you see the heating element, you see the thermostats, idler pulley, rollers, blower housing. You have all your moving parts right there. So if you need to change, you know, motor, idler pulley, heating element, or anything like that, I just showed you how to access those parts and get them replaced. Right here, I'm just showing you that the idler pulley that was on there, it was already wearing out. It wasn't turning very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace that idler pulley. Just removing a screw right here in the middle of the idler pulley. It drops down. There's an actual spring that holds that idler pulley as well. That's it right there. Puts tension on that idler pulley. That's where the spring connects to. So now I'm going to put the new one on. Placing it in there. Put the screw in.
It takes a lot of things to get the job done.
Put the spring on, and now it's good to go. Okay, so right here I'm basically putting the dryer back together. All you got to do is just reverse what I showed you previously, and you'll be good to go. I didn't catch where I was putting the frame on. Put the screws back in. Remember, that wire that we disconnected at the bottom where the lint trap is at, make sure you connect that back. I've had times where I'm in a rush and I forgot to connect that wire and turn the dryer on and it's not heating. That wire connects to the sensors inside the lint trap, so you need to make sure you get that connected. So guys, there it is. Disassemble, reassemble. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alrighty guys, there you have it. How to disassemble a Samsung dryer. If you have this particular model, you should be good to go. I hope this video helps you guys out. If you need some help with a particular appliance, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again. Thank you.